a big development that Railways has put in, that there are certain modifications in the Tatkal rail ticket booking mechanism or the system. Now, from 1st of July, only Aadhaar authenticated ID, the IRCTC ID, and even the person who is booking the ticket at the railway counter, they can make the Tatkal ticket booking. So, Aadhaar authentication, now that is going to be a mandatory norm that will put in place, and based on the Aadhaar authentication, you can book the tickets, or specifically the Tatkal rail ticket that will come into effect from 1st of July. And an additional security measure that has been put in from 15th of July, that OTP based Aadhaar authentication will be done. So put it in a very layman perspective, from 1st of July, if your IRCTC ID, that is an Aadhaar verified ID, then only you can book the railway ticket, the Tatkal rail ticket. And also when you are going to book a ticket at the railway counter or the PRS counter, then over there also you have to provide the Aadhaar authentication. From 15th of July, the mobile number which is linked to Aadhaar, on that particular mobile number you will receive an OTP, and that OTP, when you will put in at the required place, then the authentication will be done, and then only you can book the Tatkal rail ticket. In addition to this, one more step that Railway has put in, that the initial 30 minutes of the Tatkal booking window will be reserved only for the individuals, for the single user, and post the 30 minutes, the other, for example, the authorized travel agent or the tour and travel operators, they can make the booking. So these sort of layering, the security layering that has been done by the government, or specifically by the Railway Ministry, and with this move, the government intends to stop the malpractices, eliminate the suspicious ID, and put the entire Tatkal booking system in a very transparent manner. If you see the larger picture, in the last 6 months, Railway Ministry has eliminated roughly around 2.5 crore suspicious IRCTC ID from the system. So this speaks that in how much volume the touts were there in the system, and now Railway is trying to eliminate these suspicious IDs and also provide a very transparent mechanism for the users who wants to book the Tatkal rail ticket.